friends, Lokesh here. Welcome to my channel, Mac Specialist. Today I'm going to talk about system preferences. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to open system preferences. Okay, this window is called system preferences. The good thing about Mac is it has a system preferences particular for the application. If I open Safari, also preferences. So this is the main system preferences of Mac. So we are going to talk about these system preferences. So starting with Printer tab for the buttons, menus and windows. So first is appearance. I selecting blue color and second is graphite color. If I selecting this blue color, then if I click to my menu bar, so you can see the color is blue. If I select graphite, then you can see the color is change. This is for use dark menu bar and dock. You can see my dock and my menu bar is dark color. If I not check this box, then you can see that it is very light color. Automatically hide and show your menu bar. If you want to automatically hide and show your menu bar and dock, so you can tick this box. So you can just put your cursor on your top of your screen and you can show your menu bar. So next highlight color is graphite because I select that from here, highlight color. So if you want another color, then you can easily select from your choice. Next is sidebar icon size. I select medium. Please select medium size icon because small is too small and large is too large. So I prefer you to select medium size. Next is scroll bar. If I open my Safari like this, and you can see that I have no scroll bar here when I'm scrolling this. So I have selected this from my system preferences automatically based upon my mouse and track. Next is click in this scroll bar to jump to the next page, or you can also select the spot that you clicked. If I select this, then the page scroll down that place. You can set your default browser from here as select Safari, and this is for us to keep changes when closing the document. If I open my any document and I close directly by pressing Command and Q, then it will ask me to keep or discard that. So this is cool, but sometimes is annoying. Close window and quitting it. Yeah, this is common. So if you working on your document and suddenly quit the app, so you don't be restore your data if you don't save that document. So please I recommend you to check this box. Recently item. I selected 10 that I will show you. Yeah, please click on your uh, Apple icon and recent items. For applications, recently application I use that it will show only 10 like this 10 and documents. If I want to clear my recent items, so I can easily clear from here. Next is allow handoff between this Mac and your iCloud. Yeah, you have to select this and use LCD font smoothing when available. You can menu bar. When I uncheck this box, you can see some brightness are low, and if I check this box, some LCD fonts, uh, and then some font is become smooth and brighter. Second tab is desktop and screensaver. So first we were talking about desktop. You can set your desktop from here. This is the full background of Apple. You can easily set your desktop. You can also set the change picture every 5 minutes or random order. If you take this random order, so it will change random order. If you want to set your a picture, to select this for photos, and whatever you want to select, please select, and automatically it will set on your desktop. You can set your screensaver from here. If you want to show your clock on that screensaver, you can click this and start. After you have to select the time like 5 to 10 minutes or whatever you want. It drain my battery too much, so I don't use this. Next we are going to talk about dock. You guys are just on my you guys can see at my bottom of my screen, this is called dock, application which I use most. First is size. Whatever you size want of your dog, you can easily select from here. Magnification. If you want magnification like this, you have to take this and set your magnification from minimum to maximum. Position of your screen. This is left. This is bottom and right. Genuine effect. Prefer tab when opening document in full screen only. Double click a window sidebar to zoom. First you have to open. So whenever I tap on that particular application, and it will zoom like this. So for that you have to change your setting from here, like check this box and select this zoom, minimize whatever you want, minimize window in application icon. If I minimize this window, it will minimize in that particular application, but if you don't check this box, then you can see if I minimize, it will minimize to the particular side of dock. Animated opening application. So if I check this box, animated opening of my application like this, you can see. Okay, and if I don't check this box, you can see sudden without any effects. Automatically hide and show your dock. If you want this, automatically hide or show your dock. Show indicators for opening application like this. This dot indicates that I'm using this application now. Next, we are going to talk about mission control. Mission control give the overview of your open window thumbnails and your full screen application, like and dashboard also. I prefer please turn off your desktop because it will drain your battery with language and region. So my region is I'm selecting India. First day of week, I want to start my week on Sunday, and Virgin. If you want to set your time 24-hour time, so you can take this temperature Celsius Fahrenheit you want. Next is security and privacy. First is general. So if you want to change your security and privacy, so first of all you have to open this lock by entering your administrative password like this. Now you can change your settings, like allow app from downloaded from your app store. If you take this app store, so it will automatically block your application which you download from other sites and torrent and like that. So I prefer please select this app store and identify developer. A login password has been set for user. If you want to change your password, so please click here. Require password for every 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I open my Mac, and so it requires password to open my Mac. Second is show a message when screen is locked. Firewall. I prefer this. Please turn off your because it is very lengthy process. Like if you turn on your firewall, then it will take around 1 week. If you have 500 GB or hard drive, then it will take I think 5 to 6 days a week. So I prefer you please turn off your firewall. This is firewall. I prefer please turn off your firewall also. This is privacy. Privacy allow the apps to access on your contact, like I allow this Alfred app and iState menus. This is iState menus and this is Alfred. Okay, I allow this to access my contacts. So complete of your changes please. So if you want to change again, you have to unlock this and then you can change. So please don't forget to lock this. Next is spotlight search. You guys already know about it. You can also search by search using spotlight, like mail and message, movies, music, but you have to, so firstly you have to take this all whatever you want to select from your spotlight. For Alfred, you have to watch my first video, which I'll give a link in my description box, so don't worry about it. This is privacy. This is notification bar. This will give you notification. I get notification of box, sync, calendar, clean my Mac, this Dropbox, Facebook, FaceTime, Final Cut. You have to notify about, and okay, done. Center sort your order, recent. Yes, please click this recent. Next is CD DVD. Okay, if you guys using this feature, insert your music CD, then obviously iTunes, picture series, photos, and DVDs, DVD player. And when you insert a black CD, I prefer please select this, ask what you want, and blank DVD, ask what you want. Next is display. First is display resolution, default for display. Please select your default and brightness whatever you want. Automatic Apple display is I'm not using that color. Energy saver. Please select your computer sleep time and display sleep time. Put your hard drive to sleep. Please don't check this box. Just slightly dim the display when battery power. Please select this box. Power adapter. Next is please select this computer sleep time and display time, whatever you want. Next we are going to talk about keyboard. Key repeat. Delay until repeat. Please select as per your requirement and as per you want. Adjust your keyboard brightness. Turn keyboard backlight off after 5 seconds of inactivity. Use all F1 F2 key as standard function key. Don't check this box. So if you check this box, then you cannot access directly your brightness F1 F2 F3 like brightness, keyboard brightness or voice and whatever. So please don't you check this box. Text, you guys know about it. Shortcuts, shortcut keys. Input source. I use this default input source, and this is dictation. Currently I am using my external microphone and dictation is on. Language is selected, is India, and shortcut key is function twice. Place function twice. So next is mouse. I currently not using my external mouse, so no for mouse. If you want to use, please turn off your Bluetooth and connect your USB mouse. This is trackpad, and I give you all information, complete tutorial on it. So you have to please don't worry about it. I'll give you the link of that video in my description box. Next is printer and scanner. I'm not using no printer and scanner currently. If you want to use, so firstly you have to add this from here. Just take this box and you have to add. Next is sound. First is sound effect. Select an alert sound. I use this funk built-in. Okay, play sound in effect through selected output device. So alert volume, I set alert volume full. Play use interface sound effect. Please check this box. Play feedback when the volume is changed. Please don't this because sometimes it is annoying. Output, please set you full. Output, my headphone port. Please select this balance. Don't make it too much high from your right side and left side. I set output volume full and input I select in Excel. Currently I'm using Excel microphone and you can see that it was working. Use ambient noise reduction. You can, if you want to reduction of your noise recording song or something, so you have to tick this checkbox, so automatically it will reduce your noise. Next we are going to talk about startup disk. My startup disk is my Macintosh. I'm not using other disk like my external hard drive currently. If you want to change your startup disk from here, you have to open your lock from it, entering your administration password. Also select your startup disk. Like if I want to start my Mac on external hard drive, so I have to first select open this lock and select my hard drive, lock and restart. So automatically it will start on your hard drive. Next we are going to talk about iCloud. You guys already know about it. This is my iCloud menu. Currently I have 4.3 GB available. Total iCloud gives us 5 GB free space, and I have only 4.3 GB. I store my documents and desktop folders on iCloud. So you can also sync your mails, photos on your iCloud. If you want to sync your files like photos and mails, you have to check this box and done. It will automatically sync your files to iCloud. If you want to manage this free space or whatever you have to upload on your iCloud, please click this. Please open your manager. It will take some time. I have 7.0 empty documents on my iCloud. Okay, if you want to upgrade your storage like 10 GB to 5 GB to 20 GB, you have to buy your more space from here. Okay, it will take you to Apple website and so on. Next we are going to talk about internet accounts. If you want to add your accounts on your Mac, so you have to open this internet accounts and you have to easily add your accounts like iCloud account, Exchange, Google, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Yahoo, Vimeo, Flickr, and another account like mail account, server account, game account, message account. So you can easily add your account from here. Next is App Store. Please check this all. Automatically check or and updates. Download newly available in background. Install application update. Install Mac OS update. This automatically download app purchase from password setting. If you want to set your password for a free download, so purchase and in-app purchase always required. Please you select if you want to require whatever you want and free download. If you are not currently using your Mac and your friend which you are using your Mac, so if you don't know about your Apple ID password, so it will not download any application or remove any application from your Mac. So it is very cool feature. So I prefer please select this always require password for downloads. This is network. I have currently connected with Wi-Fi. This is Bluetooth, Ethernet, Firewall, Thunderbolt. Here I'm going to talk about Bluetooth. You guys already know about it. This is an extension. This is third-party extension box, Dropbox, Google Drive, and OneDrive. Actions like Finder, Photos, and Share menu. If I want to share anything like photos or mail, so I need these extensions. This is calendar and my daily apps like weather, stops, reminder, calendar. So next is sharing. This is DVD sharing, screen, file, printer, remote logging, remote management, internet sharing, group sharing, all. Please select if you want to share anything by this particular service. You can easily select. You can use this remote type login. So you can control your Mac from your iPhone. Okay, next we are going to talk about user and groups. This is our current user, Lokesh. I'm admin. If you want to change your password from here and contact ID, contact card here, and this is login items. So this is the application. Reboot your Mac, and so firstly these applications are open automatically when you are logging. So if you want to use and remove, we select and you can add here and you can also remove. But I like this three app. So whenever I log in into my Mac, three applications are automatically open. So you can easily add and remove from here. Next we are going to talk about parental control. So that you have to add your account, your parental account, and and click the continue. Okay, next is Siri. I think I'm giving the whole tutorial on it. So if you want this tutorial, please don't worry about it. I'll give you the link in description box. Okay. Next is date and time. Date and time today, 12 November 2016, 3 o'clock in afternoon. Okay. This is time zone. I have to set this automatically. So this is automatically locate my current location and set my time zone. Next is current time zone is Indian Standard Time. So date and time in menu bar like this. Date and time. If you want analog, so please set this. Display time with second. I don't want second. Flash time separator. Use the 24 rule. I don't want this. And show 8 p.m. Yeah, I take this and date option. Next, we are going to talk about time machine. Okay, please don't worry about this time machine. I'll give you the separate video on it. Next, we are going to talk about accessibility like general, zoom, voiceover, sticky keys, slow key, mouse, movement, display clear. This is voiceover. Enable your voiceover and whatever you want. This is zoom, display speed. I set system voice Veena, speaking rate normal, and play.
My name is Veena. I am an Indian English voice.
Okay. This is media descriptions. This is caption, hearing audio. Okay, this is dictation. You have to watch that video. Please don't worry about it. I'll give you the link of that video in my description box. Enable sticky key, but I don't like this. And enable slow keys, I also don't like that. This is mouse and trackpad. So you can enable your mouse keys, but I don't like this. Double click speed. You can set whatever you want. Next is switch control. Enable your switch control, hide your panel after inactivity. This table control, I think I'm also, I think I give the video on it, so you have to watch. Link of that video in my description box. We are going to talk about Flash Player. This is this app I recently installed in my Mac. So first is storage. You guys already know about this Flash Player and stuff. This stuff. This is camera and mic. This is playback. This is updates advanced. Next is NTFS. Actually, recently I installed this program, so I'm using this trial pack of NTFS. Please don't worry about it. I'll give you the separate video on NTFS. So thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you guys are to subscribe to my channel, I'm sure I'll give you the best tutorials. So please do subscribe my channel and keep watching this channel. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.